Top 10 Fast-Growing Plants. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explore 10 fast-growing plants that can bring greenery, freshness and beauty to your home or garden in no time. These plants not only grow quickly, but are also easy to care for, making them perfect for gardeners of all levels. Number 1. Sunflower. Sunflowers are known for their fast growth and large, cheerful blooms. They can grow several feet tall within just a few weeks, especially in full sunlight. These bright flowers turn toward the sun and add charm to any outdoor space. Sunflowers can be grown easily from seeds, making them an excellent choice for beginners. Just plant the seeds in well-drained soil, water regularly, and watch them grow rapidly. Number 2. Bamboo. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants in the world. Certain varieties can grow up to 3 feet in a single day under ideal conditions. Bamboo is a great choice if you want to create a natural screen or add a tropical feel to your garden. It needs space and moist, well-drained soil. Be mindful of its fast-spreading nature and plant it in containers if you want to control its growth. Number 3. Mint. Mint is a hardy herb that grows very quickly and spreads fast. It thrives in pots and garden beds alike. With just a little care and regular watering, mint can fill up your garden space in a short time. It has a refreshing fragrance and can be used in teas, salads, and various dishes. For best results, place it in a partially shaded area. Number 4. Marigold. Maragold is a fast-blooming flower that brings colour and vibrancy to your garden. It grows from seeds quickly and starts flowering within a few weeks. Marigolds also help keep pests away, making them a great companion plant. They thrive in full sun and require minimal care. These flowers are ideal for borders, pots or vegetable gardens. Number 5. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green that grows rapidly and is ready to harvest in just 3 to 5 weeks. It can be grown in pots or directly in garden soil. Spinach prefers cooler weather and needs regular watering. It's a great addition to any kitchen garden, offering fresh, nutrient-rich leaves that can be used in salads, curries, and smoothies. Number 6. Zucchini. Zucchini or courgette is a fast-growing vegetable plant that begins producing fruit in about a month. It grows best in full sun and needs plenty of space to spread. The plant produces large leaves and bright yellow flowers. Regular watering and occasional feeding will keep the plant healthy and productive. Zucchini is versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Number 7. Nasturtium. Nasturtium is a flowering plant that grows quickly and is known for its bright, edible flowers. It can cover fences, borders, and hanging baskets with ease. It doesn't require rich soil and actually grows better in poorer conditions. Nasturtiums attract pollinators and help keep harmful insects away, and leaves are edible and add flavour to salads. Number 8. Morning Glory. Morning Glory is a climbing plant that grows rapidly and produces beautiful funnel-shaped flowers. It can climb fences, trellises or walls in a short time, covering them with lush green vines and vibrant blooms. Morning Glories need full sun and well-drained soil. They bloom early in the morning and close by afternoon, adding a magical touch to your garden. Number 9. Lettuce. Lettuce is another fast-growing leafy vegetable that is perfect for beginner gardeners. It can be harvested in as little as 3 weeks depending on the variety. Lettuce grows well in containers or garden beds and prefers cooler temperatures. It requires consistent moisture and light shade in hot weather. Fresh, homegrown lettuce is ideal for making healthy salads. Number 10. Tomato. Tomatoes are among the most popular fast-growing vegetables. With proper care, they start producing fruit within 2 to 3 months. Tomato plants need full sun, regular watering, and support for their branches as they grow. You can grow them in containers, grow bags, or garden beds. Cherry tomatoes mature even faster and are ideal for small spaces. These 10 plants are easy to grow, require minimal effort, and reward you quickly with greenery, flowers, or fresh produce. Whether you have a big garden or a small balcony, you can enjoy the beauty and benefits of fast-growing plants. Thanks for staying with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and plant ideas.